Hello and welcome to the next in the series of short videos from Global Clamps. In this clip, we will cover the selection of Kale assortment kits for popular products. We're pleased to be partnering with Australian manufacturer Fisher Plastics for the portable case which we use across all assortments. These cases are manufactured from recycled materials that are tough, impact resistant and environmentally friendly. They feature high quality locks and triple hinges, and each have 21 removable dividers which can be adjusted to suit various requirements. These cases are also designed to fit Fisher's Easy Pack modular frames and are stackable. There are 6 packs that complete the range, 4 worm drive and 2 CC P-clip. These have been created specifically with workshops, service vans and maintenance departments in mind. Our range of 4 worm drive kits each contain 180 pieces of the most popular sizes, 3 of which contain 9 and 12mm bandwidth clamps from sizes of 8 to 12mm right the way through to 40 to 60mm. Available in W1 mild steel and 2 grades of all stainless steel, W3 grade 430 and W4 grade 304. The 4th assortment is all 9mm bandwidth in W2 semi-stainless. This is specifically tailored for the automotive industry. Each of the kits has a contents label on the inside lid, making it easy for you to identify sizes for refill. In addition to our worm drive assortment range, we have introduced 2 high quality P-clip assortments. The key features of the Kale CC P-clip range is the reinforced band end providing additional strength at the critical mounting point. Each assortment is packed with 240 rubber-lined clips offered in both W1 mild steel and W3 stainless steel. The CCP clip assortments include a range of popular sizes from 6 to 27mm in 2 bandwidths, 15mm with a 6.4mm mounting hole and 20mm with an 8.4mm mounting hole for heavier applications. Thanks for joining us again. If you need more details on any of our products, just give the team at Global Clamps a call and we'll be happy to help. Thanks again for your attention.